Boker Tov, good morning everyone. Today is day 2 of our new project, 3-minute daily taste of Torah. And we're going to continue our study of Pirkei Avot to get us inspired for the day ahead. Perek Gimel, Mishnah Yud Beit, because we're this week coming to Shabbos, we'll be reading the third Perek, and that's what we're up to. Hu Haya Omer. He, that is Rabbi Akiva, used to say, Chaviv Adam, Shenivra B'Tselem. How beloved is the human being that he is created in the image meaning the image of God. This is a great Mishnah because it actually is so astute psychologically. That's a sign, right? That we humans are beloved in ways that no other creature is because we're created in God's image. But then the Mishnah continues, Chiba Yetera. There is an additional belovedness to be found in the fact that Nodat Lo Shenivra B'Tselem, that he's been informed that he's created in God's image. Shneimar B'Tselem Elohim Asat Adam, quoting Bereshit, about that fact that we are told we're created in God's image. Chaviv Yisrael Shnikru Banim B'Lamakom, the same thing about Israel. We are indeed beloved, that we are considered God's children in ways that other nations are not. Chiba Yetera, but there is an additional element of the belovedness, no dat lahem shenikrubani lamakom, that they actually, we have been made aware of that fact. Again, quoting a pasuk, in this case, from Devarim Banim Atem Hashem Eloheichem. Third, Chavivin Yisrael shenitan lahem kli chemda. We are indeed beloved as well, Israel, that we have been given a kli chemda, some precious vessel. Chiba Yetera no dat lahem shenitan lahem kli chemda shabodin ra olam. But it's especially important that and beloved that we are told this. What's the point of this Mishnah? What's what we keep it teaching? And there are objective facts that are there, and there are wonderful qualities that each of us might have, and that's just a gift. It's the blessing that God has given us. But we can spend half our life, maybe all of our lives, missing it, not being aware of what we have. And if we're not aware of what we have, we don't live out the potential that carries with it. Whether that means to be in the image of God, or to be God's children, as it were, or to know that we have this precious gift of the Torah that is meant to enhance us and enrich us. If we don't recognize it, we can waste it and miss it. And so God makes sure to let us know. And we need to be reminded all the time. We need to be reminded indeed of the preciousness, and we have to remind other people of their preciousness. That's what helps people be precious and be good, by pointing out their special qualities. We're so cheap. We're so cheap when it comes to giving compliments or to pointing out to people's strengths. I know it myself. I can point right away to people's flaws, but rarely do we spend enough time. Pointing to people's fine qualities. And doing so isn't just to pat them on the back, but when you point out and that people really be aware of all the things that they have, the gifts that they have, then they can use those gifts in ways they never could have imagined and accomplish great things. Let this be a day in which you do so as well. Have a wonderful day.